Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm actually not really recording it. My mother's recording it. So thanks, Mom. Anyways, this video is me asking Aaron to homecoming. It was a pretty cool video to actually shoot. We actually spent the whole day with each other. Um, so this year I went simple. I'll put all the question askings. This is the last asking to homecoming. There's one more. But I will put in the eye, so it would be on this side, put in the eyes, or the eye, of all the homecoming askings I have done in the past. A lot of them are pretty cool. I'll at the end tell you my favorite one. And I'll see you guys then. Let's watch this video.
Is not the best memory. It is not the best memory unless you go to homecoming with the memory chaser.
So you said yes?
Yeah, I said yes.
Okay, guys, so that video is it. There's gonna be a DIY going up probably tomorrow. I just haven't posted it. I'm kind of a day early or behind. So homecoming asking was actually supposed to go up Sunday. Homecoming reacting actually went up Monday. So I'm just kind of messed up. But I'm looking at my board because it's up here. I'm actually trying to get in the rhythm of recording every day now. I'm currently sick, but that doesn't matter. Anyways, my favorite homecoming favorite homecoming video is the one that I did the gummy bear one. I did a DIY of that one. I don't think I actually put it like a video of her and me asking because I did it at an awkward time. I did it a perfect peers meeting. So pretty cool to understand that. I mean, it was amazing just to see how Aaron reacted to all of them. It's just sad to think about, like, wow, this is my senior year. Her senior year was last year. So we've been doing this for 5 years. And it's amazing to just see how life has progressed us. Like, we're all turning into adults, and it's like, what do we do with our life? Like, it's my last senior year. It's my senior year, guys. And who knows? It's amazing to just see, like, all of us grow up. Because, like, Christian and Melody, Sarah and I, we all grew up together. It's just amazing to see how we've all progressed in life. And pretty much just gone through it. We've all went through it. All of us every single one of us are going through it. We're all graduating. But I'm actually just going to leave you guys here. Thanks for watching. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, turn the notification bell if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on the next adventure of Gamer Chase. Bye! Peace.